Good.
Okay, attention, bow.
Hi, sir.
Okay, one last more section of Eagle Claw. Well, now we've been ripping and everything else, so this, now we're just going to go into the Chin Na, the joint manipulation part of it. Again, we're still dealing with the concept of, hey, I couldn't angle off, I couldn't jam in, by falling backwards, but I fall back in a stable position. Okay, so what I want to do in stable position is how I'm just going to be able to kind of trust when somebody's reaching in for me. Again, not everything in self-defense is going to be a jab, cross, or hook. You're going to have people try and reach, grab, or push. So we're going to try and use that as a concept of the technique we're going to go through. And as soon as we can get stressful, we'll go ahead. I try to stall as long as I could there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so basically the technique is going to be just trapping. Now, how many people going out there, they kind of set up for a kick, you know, like here's my rib cage, and all of a sudden they throw the kick, I got the leg, and now we go full leg sweep. You do the same thing kind of the arms. You know, like I set up, you reach in here, I'm going to be grabbing. I'm going to be coming here, so I'm striking here, striking down to get my initial leverage. I'm going to pin the arm here. Now, if I wasn't the first setting, you're going to pin a little higher up at the elbow. From here, I'm now going to drive in, breaks and bound, rotate over, step through, arm bar. So it comes on in here, I hit, I take it up, rotate in, drive the other over the top here, drive down. I want your shiny split. One more time, going on through. I get out of the way. I've overextended. He thought he was going to hit me here. By me just going back, I pull the fly off balance. Immediately, when he goes off balance, he wants to try to regain his balance. Fine, I let him. I'm now going to take this elbow over the top here and drive the body straight on down. And of course, you get hit and everything else. Okay? That'll be the first technique. You'll see that side. Look at it here. Get the motion to here. Drive it on up, elbow over, and then down. Okay? Now, always talk to the class that in our joint lecture, there are people, straight arm people, bent arm people, and some people just bend their arm for protection, some people push their arms out for protection. This time here, I come to here, and I get closer to the wrist this time. So I may try and come to here, it's not quite working right, he bent it. From now, I just basically keep this index knuckle locked, put it here, and I just step backwards. And the pin lock itself. So the first one you're stepping forward, this one here, I come around, in, hit the lock here, step backward. And then naturally, you can give an uplifting experience. One more time. Comes in, I circle around, I can't get the elbow, bend it here. This is important to keep this parallel to the ground, and then this step on back to the leverage. Okay, control this knuckle, this index knuckle here, and keeping this parallel, and that's what makes the technique work. Okay? That's right. Yeah. Once you get into here, and once you go over here, you secure this hand. Try and get your claw back in here. Try and rotate the hand backwards and in. Now, if I just go here, this is pressure, but if I start pulling back in here more, I get more reaction out of it. Okay, so I get into here, I'm going to basically claw and twist. So I'm just twisting the motion in, gets them deeper for the lock. If I just put my hand out here, I get this, not so much. If I take that same motion, just continue rotating, rotating, you can see the difference. Grab the claw, twist down if you do the technique. You try this a little more, we go to the next technique. Everything else in here? Boom. Okay, now, I tried the one, didn't quite work. Tried it two, it didn't quite work, so I don't even worry about it. I just now just basically take my claw here, hold on to it, make it through. So, you come in, you still got the same in. I come on over. I may not feel I have anything wrong with that, so I'm just going to secure the lock with the hand here. This is going to start driving, trapping the arm, and make the rotate down. Again, I don't have to have a lot of finesse, so I just kind of block it. I got in, I come around here, it's not working. I'm just holding on here, start driving, trap the arm, and down we go.
Nice.
Okay, any question on that one? Okay, give it a try. Okay, so again, everything starts off the same way. Again, I just basically want to kind of pull them all bounce. I try and come in. Things aren't quite working like I like. I don't really feel like pressure, so I'm just going to rotate a little further around. I'm going to grab underneath. I'm going to lock it in. Take it on over the top. I have a finger lock here. If I don't do a finger lock, I can make a wrist lock here. So if I come from here, as I come into here, I can immediately come in here with a finger lock or a wrist lock here, or I just ready to do a finger lock. The options are, but basically all I've done is I've come through here, I got behind his back a little bit so I can knock off balance so I can get the wrist grab. Drive it in, force it in, and I can push the elbow down here for a straight finger, or I can do a little more reinforcement and basically try and take this little finger and point the other direction. Funny, I never got a student to get that far. But yeah, just rotate in there, so you're rotating the wrist this way, in and down. And you can do it with one hand, but two-handed makes it a lot more easier for you. Okay, give it a try. Class entry, give it on in, everything starts the same way. Realize I may not have anything here, so I'm going to basically since I did like get on the outside of the person, do the weight with that left hand, and again, rotating it down so I get an easier grab. I'm going to come in here like I did before. Now the difference before, I was basically just doing the fingers or coming here. And now I'm going to come across all the way with my elbow, hit the head, take it right on the top, and now I'm going to drive the elbow straight down, bringing the fingers to the floor with it. And I can still go back and hit a few more times. Different angle?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so everybody got good to here, right? Yeah, it's your good side. Okay. Okay. So again, we start the same lock into here. Instead of coming coming in or just pushing in, I'm now going to bring this arm over for reinforcement. I'm going to point it all the way through, taking the elbow here, fingers as far back as I can, and driving my elbow straight down. Of course, you still have your strike right afterwards. Or you can pull the fingers in here and extend the head and pull the fingers at the same time, which is a little bit worse. So hit, pull on through. Do you see it again? Yes, sir. You should have done so mean on your sessions. Okay, so I got into here, I crick it in here, pull it on in here. Elbow's coming across. I can hit first, then drop the elbow down, but the idea is I'm keeping the elbow locked in with this hand. Elbow goes close to the body as I can. Pull the fingers back to my own elbow, then take it, put the elbow down, and take a step back. Hit, and extend. The extension's bad, isn't it?
It is.
Okay. I get it right here. I'm going to spin around here. As I do so, I'm going to let this hand rotate to grab. I'm going to come all the way to the shoulder here, strike to the groin, then break the elbow. Because I want to lean one way, so it's easier to break the elbow the other way. So I came into here, started coming around, realized if it goes well, so I'm just going to basically switch the hand, rotate all the way around. This comes on through. Now I can possibly hit the back with the elbow first, but this one here, as he goes forward here, it's that much easier for me to pull as far and as wide as I can. Those that are left-hand golfers will recognize movement. So we have it in, didn't quite work. I'm just going to come from here, nothing's going that way, so I just go the other way. Come all the way around, get the initial lock, strike to the groin, then pull the elbow all the way through. And if he can do a cartwheel over the top of me, that'll be his defense. Knowing him, he might be able to do that. Okay, get a try. What if they bend their elbow? Not a real big problem. They come into here, boom. It doesn't go this way, so I immediately go to the lock here. I start coming around to here. Oh, they bent their arm. So I'm going to pull through here to grab the nose, and arm both for the throw. So in, not working, come around here, it rotates too far, I start pulling through, hook the nose, try and ripping this arm all the way to the front of the body here, and you pull this way here, use this nose for a little more leverage. There's a filter right to here, put that pain there, there's a lot of pain there, help take the person down in here, okay? This is basically separate the shoulder, you won't worry about the nose anymore. Okay, do you see it one more time or not? That's good, well, you finally, I think, finally some sympathy. Okay, let's go.